Hey there! So let's talk about a common problem that many R users face when plotting out aggregate binomial regression estimates. The challenge at hand was how to flip the plot vertically in the base package and reorganize the x-axis based on the size of the estimate. Quite the head-scratcher, right? Now, let's dive into the solution for the issue we faced earlier. By utilizing the tidyverse library in R, we were able to manipulate the data and create a vertical plot with the x-axis organized according to the size of the estimate. The code provided helped in achieving this by reordering the data points and customizing the plot elements for a more visually appealing representation. In conclusion, we tackled the problem of visualizing aggregate binomial regression estimates by using the power of R's tidyverse library. The solution allowed us to create a vertically flipped plot with a reorganized x-axis based on the size of the estimate. Hopefully, this has been helpful and insightful for you. Don't forget to hit subscribe, like the video, and drop a comment below. Keep coding with a smile.